8.2 8.2b dividing radicals day 2. So it's just a couple more practice problems. So number 1, we have 5 square roots of 6. So square root 6 cannot be in that bottom of that radical. So what we do is we have to rationalize the denominator. So the top and bottom of our fraction have to multiply by square root 6. So we get 5 square roots of 6 over 6. 5 and 6 cannot reduce, so this is our final answer. Number 2. So instead of rationalizing the denominator right away, if we actually look, like if we did this, this would be way too much work. So instead, look at square root of 144. That is a perfect square. So this becomes 4 over 12. Okay, don't rationalize the denominator if you don't have to. So always be double checking for perfect squares. On the homework, there's a couple of them that are perfect squares and you don't have to rationalize. Last step is going to be reducing our fraction. So this reduces down to 1/3. Okay, number 3, we have 7 over 2 square roots of 5. So 5 is not a perfect square, so we do have to rationalize the denominator. So top and bottom are going to multiply by square root of 5. So we get 7 square roots of 5 over 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, so we have 7 square roots of 5 over 10. Okay, double check. Can we reduce 7/10? No, we cannot. So we are done with number 3. Okay, number 5. So we have 24 over 6 square root of 6. So again, let's rationalize the denominator. So times top and bottom by square root of 6. So we get 24 square roots of 6 over 6. Okay, now let's double check. Can we reduce 24 and 6? We can. 24 divided by 6 becomes 4 square roots of 6 over 1. But do we need this over 1 part? No, we do not. So just write our final answer as 4 square roots of 6. Okay, next one. 18. So let's see, can we break apart 18? That can break apart into 3 over 9 square roots of 2, which becomes 3 square roots of 2. So our 3's reduce, so we get 1 over square root 2, but we can't have that square root 2 in the bottom. So let's times top and bottom by square root 2. So our final answer is square root 2 over 2. Okay, number 7. So we have 10 over square root of 75. So let's reduce, or let's break apart our 75. So 75 can be broken apart into 25 and 3. Square root of 25 is 5, so we get 10 over 5 square roots of 3. Our 10 and our 5 reduce, giving us 2 over square root 3, but can't have that square root 3 in the bottom. So let's multiply by square root 3. So we get 2 square roots of 3 over 3. And our 2/3 can't reduce at all, so that is our final answer. So your homework is the next page in the packet. It is, let me see. I want you to do, it's 8.2b, day 2 worksheet. And you need to do 1 through 30, so it's 2 pages. It's not your next one in your packet, so you're actually going to skip the next one in your packet, and you're going to go to the next 2.